Woman allegedly killed husband with hot oil. A 32-year-old woman has been arrested and charged with the murder after she allegedly poured hot oil on her common-law husband during an altercation between the couple. She has been identified as Melissa Sinclair, a 32-year-old cashier of Kingston address. Reports are that on May 14, Sinclair and her husband, 38-year-old taxi operator Orville Peter, had a dispute during which she allegedly poured a pot of hot oil all over Peter's body, causing severe burns. The taxi operator reportedly ran from the house and sought assistance to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where he was admitted in serious condition. He was later transported to the intense care unit where he had died on Monday, May 25, 2020, about 12:30 p.m. according to the police. The accused woman was taken into custody where she reportedly gave the police a caution statement. She was also interviewed by the police and subsequently charged. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.